again. Haven't filmed anything today. It's like 7 p.m. But I have been so busy and so productive. So I'm hoping you'll forgive me. I made my launch box for my cakes. I say cakes, but it's not, it's chocolate. I'm not doing cakes. Chocolate slash fudge slash things. So I've made all of the stuff today and I've got them boxed up ready to post. There's only 8 available this week. I'm just trying to like ease myself in to see how I cope with 8 orders. See if I can, I might not know if I can sell any. This will probably go up and I won't have sold any because no one wants any. Me and the girls are now going to play Avoid You Know Who. Have a couple of goes of that before bed. Yeah. Tomorrow I'm going to get tattooed, so I'll take you with me to see Athene. And meow, meow. Do you sleep in that hat, Ari? You want to, don't you? Mummy won't let you. Go brush your teeth, you minger. And your breathing medicine, where is it? Just left it downstairs. Put mascara on today. After my lash lift. It's ridiculous how, like, only literally just coated a tiny little bit, but they're so good. They just weren't dark enough for my liking, so I've just put a little tiny bit of mascara on to make them dark. Go and do your breathing medicine, you little fart face. Have you brushed your teeth? No. Go brush your teeth. Yeah. So I'm going to get tattooed tomorrow. My friend Lizzie was meant to come with me, but she's not now because she's a knob. She's not, she's just got a bad period. So I'm going on my own, and I might meet up with my friend and get some nugs in the city as well after the tattoo. I did get Athene, who is tattooing me. We were talking about I want my sternum done like under my boobs, and I was saying I'd like really want it done for ages, but I'm too scared. And she said, "I'll get some numbing cream," and I was like, "Are we allowed to do that?" And she was like, "Fuck yes." So she told me what I wanted to get, so I bought some. So I'm tempted to try it tomorrow on my leg to see how it works for that. But then I feel like I'm cheating because it's like, tattoos are meant to hurt. But on the other hand, I'm like, so I don't know. I might try it. We'll see. We need to do a tarot pull, don't we? What angles you guys get of me? You are lucky. Right. That one. I am building momentum. I am unstoppable. Fuck yes. Let's hope that that is a precursor for how much orders I'm going to have tonight. So everyone keep your fucking fingers crossed. I will update you tomorrow. Hello, bye.